Oh man, welcome back to KB's World. Another unboxing we're gonna do. This one's gonna be plain Jane. It's gonna be simple. Something that everybody in a sneaker collection probably have already, but with just a little bit of a different touch. And we're gonna see what it do. But just to let you know, Nikes, yeah, Nikes. That's what I rock with. How the Just Do It show shirt on and everything. But I think the most common shoe I buy with Nike back in the day is Air Force Ones. So all white. So now that it's becoming more common to have different types of brands, have different types of white shoes. We got the Reebok Classic from back in the day. They got different versions of that. You can throw those on. You can throw shell toes, even though I'm not a big fan of them like that. You can throw different like Banana Republic all whites, New Republic all whites, all different type of all white shoes on. You can do it. You can do it different. So I even just bought some like a little bit back AJ1s, the Jordan 1s, mids from the high lovers, but mids and they all white, but I haven't had a chance to wear them anywhere, you know what I mean? So anyway, let's get to the unboxing. That tells you the Air Force One box, the gray, you know what I mean? Yeah. So you got that plastic Air Force One, I don't know if it's plastic, but Air Force One wrapping, and I'm gonna just open it up for you. Always make them sound effect noises. So it's your Air Force Ones. That's why I talked about them with the gun bottom. So fashion sense wise and everything. So thing about these is, okay, so they're gun bottom, so they're obviously not white. So that bottom that white part on the bottom is just hard to keep super clean, and you start eating away at it and it looks different. So when you have all whites, you gotta rotate them in and out. Now with this, sometimes with all white shoes you can't wear it with everything, but with the gun bottoms, it kind of plays off of different colors and stuff. So that's what's dope about these. Different types of colors. Are just you don't just wear all white and just be done with that. Yeah, it's gonna be a boring video because these are just kind of boring plain shoes, but everything is all white, the same thing, you know, same size. I gotta get the force fields to block them off, but that gum is gonna throw everything on like say throw everything off, but it's gonna be hard, you know what I'm saying? You can wear them with different colors and play around with stuff, you know, jeans, khakis, whatever you want, you know. And you can do that with all whites, but certain things are a stretch, man, you know what I'm saying? Dark colors with all white shoes, you kind of playing yourself a little bit. You might be playing yourself with these a little bit, but hey, man, you know, let me know what y'all think, man. Like, was it a waste of money, or you know, was it a good pickup? Did y'all grab them? Yeah, thumbnail. Yeah, let me know. So anyway, short unboxing. Just wanted to share. You know what I mean? Hopefully y'all see these in a picture coming soon or a video coming soon. But I'll let your boy, man, long live D-Mac.